A friend of mine, healthy eater, no alcohol, regular at the gym, was still diagnosed with stage 3 kidney failure. The culprit? His daily detox smoothie, filled with kale, apples, celery, but loaded with pesticide residues. He thought he was cleansing his body. In reality, he was poisoning his kidneys daily. Backhand index pointing right, eating healthy isn't enough. You need to eat clean. In this video, I'll show you how to naturally detox your kidneys using organic food, and more importantly, how to choose, wash, and store it properly to avoid harmful chemicals. You eat vegetables every day. You think you're taking care of your health. But have you ever asked yourself, where were those vegetables grown? Were they sprayed with chemicals? And is your kidney silently processing things it was never meant to handle? This isn't fear-mongering. It's the truth. Every grain of chemical fertilizer, every drop of pesticide left on vegetables, is a debt your kidneys must repay. The problem is, kidneys don't complain. They work in silence until they collapse. You won't realize it until unexplained fatigue, swelling, high blood pressure, or worse, routine dialysis. Direct hit if you don't want to become the next number in kidney disease statistics. Backhand index pointing right, start with the simplest thing. Choose clean food and wash it properly. Kidney detox doesn't require expensive programs or 7-day juice cleanses. You just need to eat what your kidneys need and avoid what overwhelms them. Here are scientifically proven foods that support kidney function and help eliminate toxins effectively. Leafy green 1. Kale. Rich in vitamins C, A, and antioxidants. But choose organic, as kale is a pesticide magnet. Grapes 2. Red grapes contain resveratrol, an anti-inflammatory compound that protects the kidneys from damage. Broccoli 3. Broccoli supports both liver and kidney function, enhancing natural detox capacity. Watermelon 4. Watermelon. Mild diuretic that gently flushes toxins from the body. Herb 5. Parsley. Herb that increases urine output, aiding filtration. Can be used fresh or as tea. Red apple 6. Apples. High in fiber, reduces cholesterol, good for digestion and kidneys. But remember, wash thoroughly or choose organic to avoid chemical residues on the skin. Potato 7. Sweet potatoes. Rich in potassium and beta-carotene. Beneficial for kidneys in moderation, especially before kidney damage occurs. Direct hit, you don't have to eat them all. Just make smart choices and rotate daily. And importantly, eating clean is not enough. You need to know how to wash and store them properly. That's in the next part. In the US, you can easily find products labeled organic. But not all labels are trustworthy. Here's how to choose truly clean food and avoid wasting money on marketing. White heavy check mark 1. Look for the official USDA organic label. It's the federal standard. Products must be free of synthetic pesticides, chemical fertilizers, and GMOs. If it's meat, the animals must be raised without antibiotics or growth hormones. Cross-mark, avoid labels like all natural, farm fresh, eco-friendly. These are marketing tricks, not verified standards. White heavy check mark 2. Know the Dirty Dozen and Clean 15. Each year, EWG publishes a list of the 12 most pesticide-laden produce. Dirty Dozen. Buy these organic. Examples: strawberries, kale, celery, apples, peaches. Conversely, the 15 lowest pesticide items, Clean 15, can be bought conventional to save money. White heavy check mark 3. Prefer local, seasonal produce. Buy from trusted farmers markets. Seasonal produce is usually fresher and needs fewer preservatives. Direct hit tip: if you're on a budget, prioritize buying organic for the Dirty Dozen. Because your kidneys don't need superfoods. They just need less poison. Backhand index pointing right, ready? In the next section, you'll learn how to properly wash produce to remove as many chemicals as possible, even from non-organic food. Buying organic produce is great, but if you still just rinse under water then throw it in the pot, sorry, your kidneys are still in trouble. Here are 4 proper washing methods that significantly remove pesticides, dirt, and bacteria, whether from supermarkets or farmers markets. Salt 1. Soak in salt water, or baking soda. Mix 1 tablespoon of salt or baking soda in 1 liter of water. Soak vegetables for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with clean water. Common, cheap, and effective against many water-soluble chemicals. Lemon 2. Use white vinegar. Mix 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water. Soak for 10 minutes and rinse. Great for fruits like apples, grapes, tomatoes. Reduces surface bacteria and pesticide residue. Wind Phase 3. Rinse under running water plus light scrubbing. For leafy greens like kale or water spinach, wash each leaf under running water. Use your hands or a veggie brush to remove soil, insect eggs, pesticide residues. Avoid just soaking in a tub. Chemicals can hang out between the layers. Package 4. Peel when necessary. For produce like non-organic cucumbers or apples, peeling is the last resort if safety is questionable. Direct hit. Remember, cleaning isn't just about safety. It's about freeing your kidneys from things they were never meant to process. You've chosen clean veggies and washed them well, but improper storage can still turn food into a threat to your kidneys. The fridge isn't a health-preserving machine. It only extends shelf life if used right. Here are common mistakes and easy fixes. Cube 1. Storing veggies while still wet. Moisture causes quick spoilage and mold. After washing, air dry or pat with clean paper towels. Package 2. Sealing everything in plastic or airtight containers. Many veggies need to breathe. Use mesh bags, paper bags, or vented containers. Don't store leafy greens with fruits like apples or bananas. The ethylene gas speeds up wilting. Calendar 3. Ignoring the lifespan of your produce. Use fresh produce within 3 to 5 days of purchase. Label purchase dates on bags/boxes to use them in the right order. Fire 4. Storing near heat or overly cold sections. Avoid fridge doors. Temperature fluctuates. Some veggies like cucumbers or tomatoes shouldn't be too cold. They lose flavor and texture. Direct hit. Remember, clean eating isn't enough. Proper storage is the key to giving your kidneys a real break. You've just completed a journey, not for a quick detox, but to understand and care for your kidneys. We've covered white heavy checkmark why your kidneys need detox, not for trends, but for survival. White heavy checkmark simple foods that can revive kidney health. White heavy checkmark how to choose, wash, and store food, so every meal thanks your body. Direct hit. The message is clear. You don't need expensive detox products. You just need awareness and daily choices. Speech balloon. Now it's time to act. Look in your fridge. What needs to be changed? What will you choose differently next time you shop? And if this video is helpful, you know what to do. Push pin like, share, subscribe to join us on the journey of smart eating, healthy living.